Keywords play a crucial role in the success of your YouTube channel by helping your content become more discoverable, reaching a larger audience, and improving your overall visibility. Here are some ways keywords can enhance the power of your channel. Keywords help your videos appear in YouTube and Google search results when users type queries related to your content. YouTube is the second largest search engine, and properly chosen keywords help align your video with popular search terms. Just like with websites, YouTube SEO is important. Using relevant keywords in your video title, description, tags, and video file name helps search algorithms categorize and rank your video higher. Keywords help YouTube's algorithm understand the content of your video, making it more likely to be recommended to users watching similar videos, increasing the chances of being included in the suggested videos section. Using specific, niche keywords ensures that your video is shown to the right audience. For example, a tech channel might use iPhone unboxing or best camera phones 2024 to attract a tech-savvy audience. When your video is discoverable through relevant keywords, it's more likely to reach an interested audience, leading to higher engagement, likes, comments, shares, and subscribes, which boost your channel's growth. Analyzing trending keywords can help you identify which topics are popular or in demand. This allows you to create content that resonates with the audience, increasing the chances of your videos gaining traction. Research keywords. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, YouTube's autocomplete, or TubeBuddy to find relevant keywords. Use in titles and descriptions. Include your main keyword in the video title and description to optimize for SEO. Tags. Use related and long-tail keywords in the tag section to cover a variety of search terms. Thumbnails. Incorporating keywords and thumbnails can also help attract viewers. By leveraging keywords effectively, you can significantly improve your YouTube channel's visibility, engagement, and overall success.